This is an introduction to Lesson 1 of the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. To start our journey through the book, let's first talk about the Mr. Circuit robot. Under the direction of the author of this book, an artist was asked to create a robot character made up of electronic components. The robot was named Mr. Circuit. Its head is a speaker. Its body is a solderless circuit board. Its nose is a potentiometer. Its fingers are lights. Also, on the torso are more lights, and between the lights is an integrated circuit. Under the integrated circuit are two resistors, and you will learn about all these electronic components as you go through the lessons of this STEM activity book. Today, we're going to work on Lesson 1, which is about resistors. Resistors are electronic components that are used in all electrical devices, including household appliances, cars, radios, TVs, and computers, and so forth. Resistors come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. A picture of one kind of resistor is shown at the bottom right of the page. Do you see it? It looks like the resistor has bands around it. These bands are actually color bands that tell us the resistance value of the resistor. The value of a resistor is expressed in ohms. You also see on page 1 that the Mr. Circuit robot is holding something electronic in its hand. It is a meter that will measure electric current. What does a resistor do in a circuit? What does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, resistors reduce the quantity of electrons that will flow in a circuit. At the middle of the bottom of the page, you will see the schematic symbol that is used by engineers and technicians to represent a resistor. How would you describe this symbol? Like the squiggle? Notice that the symbol has 3 points up and 3 points down. Please copy this resistor symbol into the box on the lower right-hand corner of the page. Here are some important things that you have been taught in this lesson. 1. What a resistor does in a circuit. 2. What the schematic symbol is for a resistor. And 3. How to spell and pronounce the word resistor. Now please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 1. When you have completed this STEM coloring activity book, you will receive a very nice certificate of completion. We hope you enjoy electronics studying with Mr. Circuit.